This training video focuses on how to update AZTransfer contacts. I just prepared a lengthy video on how to add a new AZTransfer contact, and I recommend for detailed information on how to perform this function, please refer back to that video. Here are the highlights on how to update an AZTransfer contact that already exists in our system. From the chat lines, choose number 5 under Edit Screens, Update AZTransfer Contacts. Type in the name of the person whose profile you would like to edit. I will use my own. Click on Edit. This is all self-explanatory. Each field that would need to be updated should changes occur with any of the personnel that you've assigned to ATF groups. One thing that I would like to focus on, however, is this field of show hide groups and add a group. For your own profile, my recommendation is that you go in and add yourself to every ATF group that we have. You will notice in my profile that I am added as listserv only for most of these ATF groups. This means that my name does not populate within the RSVP record for each of the meetings for these ATF groups, but I do receive all group communications that are sent out via the listserv. The listserv includes all members, the emails of all members who have been affiliated with each of these ATF meetings. I recommend that if you are a facilitator for AZTransfer, you go in and look at your own profile, and if you do not have an affiliation with every ATF group, my recommendation is that you go through the process of adding yourself to a group. Let me show you what occurs if you try and add yourself to a group that you are already a member of. You receive this error code, error unable to relate group, contact already related to group, delete old group relationship to proceed. So if I wanted to become a member of biology, first I would have to delete my record from biology that is currently listserv only. And then I would have to go through, click on add a group, and re-affiliate myself with biology as a liaison because I am not biology faculty. Once you have cleaned up all of these affiliations, ensure that your institution is correctly identified. Click Save Changes, and this record is now changed appropriately. Please keep in mind that if someone is not receiving the RSVP link for their designated ATF meeting, it means that they are not affiliated with that particular ATF. In order to affiliate them with the ATF, you would go through and update their profile by adding them to the group, choosing the ATF meeting they should be a part of, and choosing the affiliation of member if they are a faculty member, lead member if they are the voting person, or alternate if they are simply filling in for this particular time only. If they are not faculty and need their name to be populated within the RSVP, the correct affiliation would be liaison. Listserv only affiliation or designation does not populate, the name does not populate within the RSVP. Again, I urge you to reference the role definitions in order to get this particular affiliation and designation correct. Since my profile is already related to this ATF, I will click here to cancel and return to edit screen. Final edit, save changes. Changes saved successfully. Return to list. And this creates all of the lists for CN Luke, all the profiles that are currently there. Admin home, and you're back to the ATF chat lines. This concludes the training video for how to update AZTransfer contacts. Thank you for tuning in. This has been part of the training video library for AZTransfer. If you have any questions, please contact CIEN@aztransfer.com.